On top inside Edo today, Edo don't send sample of 9 new suspected cases go hospital for testing. Na Edo State Commissioner for Health na im tok dis one. Dr. Patrick Okundia wey na im be Edo State Commissioner for Health don tok am say Edo State get 9 new suspected cases of coronavirus disease for 4 local government areas for di state, and dem don carry di samples of di patients go Irua Specialist Teaching Hospital for testing. Di commissioner tok dis one wen im dey tok to tori pipo for Benin City, and im come still tell Edo pipo say make dem dey stay for house and do all wetin Edo State government say make dem do to take stop dis yamayama disease matter. Okundia tok say for di 9 samples wey dem collect 4 for Esan West, 2 for Esan Central, 2 for Oredo, and 1 for Oriome local government areas. Im tok say all di pipo wey get di disease for di state dey receive treatment already and dem dey respond to treatment well. Di commissioner tok say dem get 9 new suspected cases for di state, and dis one don increase di number of suspected cases for di state go 72, and 288 pipo don get contact with confirmed cases. Im tok say Governor Godwin Obaseki don give orders say make dem shut down any hotel wey im guests come from outside Edo State wey no tell COVID-19 response team make dem for come check di guests dem, and motor wey passenger no dey do wetin government say make dem do go collect punishment.
The government of Edo State will shut down any hotel found to be hosting guests who travel from outside the state and have not informed the COVID-19 response team to screen such guests. Vehicles with passengers not adhering to the social distancing regulations will be impounded and the driver will be prosecuted.
Okundia tok say Edo State government dey try their best to make sure say dis yamayama disease no waka far for di state. Na here we see dis ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo State Commissioner for Health don tok am say Edo get sample of 9 new suspected cases and dem don send am go Irua Specialist Teaching Hospital for testing. Make una sabi say dis ogbonge informate waka come meet una so na T-Live Media na im bring am come give una.
Please, this is a serious business.